it's Living with Shanda. Welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time here, welcome. I am glad you're here. I would love for you to join the family, so make sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. In today's video, it's going to be something very short and sweet. For this Valentine's Day, we're going to be making strawberry jam or strawberry sauce. Let's get started. Let me show you what you need. Sugar, salt, lime. I'm not a big fan of lemon, so I'm using lime, strawberries, and cornstarch. This is going to help thicken the liquid. If you don't want to be that thick, you can skip this step. I'm going to start by washing my strawberries and cutting them into little pieces. Add the strawberry into the pot. Add the sugar as well. All the ingredients measurements will be in the description box. Your lime or lemon if you want, I'm using lime, 2 tablespoons, salt, 1 teaspoon, cornstarch, cook this slowly. If you don't want to cut your strawberries the way I cut mine, like very little, you can go ahead and just cut it bigger, but then you have to mash them a little bit. I just took the time and cut mine smaller because I still want some chunks in mine, so I cut it little. But once it's really the juice starts to form or to come out, I'm going to press just a little bit on the strawberry. Make sure the heat is not too high because you don't want to just burn it.